HUNARly is an education technology startup. We have put our time and effort to build a revolutionary learning space for young children. Yes, the future of learning is here embarking. Discover a world of knowledge with us. We are a hybrid learning center. Come, let's see an exciting journey that we have for you. This is a space where learning comes to life. We prepare children for various exams, from English to music, chess and drawing. And that's our vibrant and dynamic learning center. Amazing, isn't it? Step inside a world of knowledge. We keep adding our courses depending on what parents want for the children. And also the courses which a primary student will benefit when they step into their secondary schools. We have a library where our students can borrow the books. And that's the transforming education through technology. We have a state-of-art learning system here, a technology which can bring children so much closer to their goals. All our courses are well structured. We have a learning management platform which has high quality study material so that the children are guaranteed with their learning outcomes. You can monitor and track their progress. Learning is fun when students are engaged. We provide you access to top quality tutors. Our tutors are someone who have been there and done that themselves, because of which they are not only passionate to teach the subject, but they also tend to rub off their personality. They inspire, they motivate students such that the students feel like becoming achievers and contributors to the world like their tutors.
Hey everyone, welcome to intermediate program, lesson number 5. So today we're going to go through a new chord technique to play a chord that we previously learned. We said it's a 3-noted, like that.
And yeah, at the end of one H.
Students not only get access to top tutors, but they're also empowered through peer collaboration activities. Together we learn, together we thrive. What are you waiting for? Fill in the enrollment form, submit your course of interest, and let us know your child's availability. We will get back to you as soon as we have minimum enrollments for the course.
The teamwork was very good.
Creative of you to put this on, and it's helping me very much. I loved it.
How to elaborate on my answers in my reading comprehension.
So learned how to make sentences, like how to say them. Also, I've had 1-to-1 math classes.
In HUNARly, I learned many techniques in creative writing and different types of questions in reading comprehension.
I had a good teacher, and today I got a 3rd place. I play with year 5 child, and I won. And I'm only year 2.
I wasn't really struggling with, and I found out to do fractions of amounts, which we did in school today. I participated in Lego, chess and drawing, and it was very enjoyable, fun and encouraging.
HUNARly classes today.